Let's make my UFO siding quilt pattern using fat quarters and a little bit of background fabric. I am using 20 fat quarters in Dusk Fusion and Volcanic Deco Stitch for the background, which are all from Art Gallery Fabrics. This pattern also uses a 60-degree diamond ruler from Creative Grids, which I will have linked down below in the description. With your 20 fat quarters, I highly recommend that you start your fabric since we will cut 60-degree shapes. Also, this pattern's cutting instructions will be a little complex, so I will have a free PDF pattern available, which I will have linked down below in the description as well. First, with your background yardage, you are going to cut 2.5 inch by width of fabric strips and subcut them into 26 2.5 inch 60-degree triangles per each strip. You will have excess triangles available. Next, with each fat quarter, you are going to cut 2.5 inch by 20 inch strips, and with 2 of those strips, you will cut 2.5 inch diamonds. Then the excess strip of that piece will be for your block's first border. This part will all make sense once we start piecing everything together, but feel free to place your strips on top of each other just to save some time on cutting. With 2 other strips, you are going to cut 1 2.5 inch diamond, and the excess strip will be for your block's second border. Lastly, with your remaining 2.5 inch strips, you will cut a 60-degree diagonal edge just to make things easier for when we piece our third border. And like I said, this all seems weird, but it will make sense once we piece everything together. So you'll just repeat all these steps to your 20 fat quarters. Now it is time to piece your block together. First, select 3 2.5 inch diamonds in the same print and 3 background 2.5 inch triangles, and create a piece triangle block like so. Start by sewing the bottom 3 shapes together to form a row, and then lastly the top 3 pieces together to form a 60-degree triangle. Then you will take those 2 units and sew them together to form a 6.5 inch triangle. Now that we have our base done, it is time to place a border all around it. With the same print, select your first border piece and we will sew it to the bottom of our base block. It will be longer than needed, but you will go ahead and trim the excess afterwards. Next, you will place the second border strip on the right side, and technically you can place it on the left, right, it doesn't matter because we are just going to keep making our way around the entire block. And then once again, you will trim the excess off once you've sewn and pieced that together. Lastly, take that third border strip and sew it to the left side, and then trim the excess and you are done. All you'll have to do is repeat these same steps until you've made a total of 40 12.5 inch 60-degree triangles. Once all of your blocks are made, you're going to take 5 blocks and cut them in half. These will be for the ends of your rows. Each row will have 2 of the same print half blocks and then 7 complete 60-degree triangles, and you will create a total of 5 rows and sew them together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my UFO siding quilt looks like all complete. For the backing, I am using this coordinated print called Rambling Roses, and for the thread choice, I am going with Glide Thread in the color Tea Berry. And here's what my quilt looks like all quilted. I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.